I need to write the height map into the Z. Writing depth value. Writing to Z buffer. Depth write and depth test. Z-test, possibly also all equal. The trick is make sure that you are using Q to force the drawing in a specific order. Substitute shader, blah blah blah, setting them manually, then rendering is done sort of. Is there maybe an O-depth parameter? Expression left of death is not a structure. Alright, okay, maybe not. They're using a vertex and a fragment shader. Do I need to do this? Oh, death. Yeah, it's always in part of the fragment shader. I'll share this with you, maybe you can do something with it. My brain is slowly being... Yeah, it has to be a fragment shader. Apparently. Nope. Let's see what this does. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but I'll try it out. Syntax. Oh. It's probably me getting tired. Shader error, undeclared identifier. Okay, I have to make a hate map ST. I don't know what it does, but it seems to be the thing in fragment shaders or vertex shaders. Oh yeah, I need to identify it, I guess. Position. Wait, no. I did it. What's the difference? Anybody spot the difference? All that for an artist. I didn't even Inti Matrix MVP Mainhex. Why don't you know hate map? Shader error, undeclared identifier. Am I missing something? Oh, Still not. Yeah, you're right about this. But then again, I should be able to write it to def directly. Okay, can't they have any z-testing? Or is it about those? Still the same. Can I have an alpha if I make it transparent? Actually, I thought for a fragment shader I can use call off LID blah blah blah. Probably transparent vertex lid. No. Shader transparent cutout properties color blah blah blah. Subshaders transparent surface. This is way too overload. What? No. Where did I write it? Yeah. Okay, this is what is happening. What do you mean by intersect? The cutoff is working. That's a good one. What does this do? What will it change? I'm not getting it. But luckily I made this test scene. Are they actually writing to Z? Because I don't see them. Because I think I just changed the def. Okay, let me try something else out. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see. What will happen? Game object, 3D object, cube. Okay, we'll have a cube at the same distance as these. So I'll have a reference of on one hand where they are and how deep they are. You mean this one? Okay. Hmm. This just changes the sorting. It doesn't change the... Shaders are still complicated. Ah. Does it? It's not cut out anymore. Well, wait, it is. But it has a white background now. Because it says discard. What happens if I... Okay, it will keep them, but why? Yeah, right now this is what is rendered, but I have the hate map. Let me just rename it. It should actually get the value from the hate map, right? Because otherwise it won't be in the depth buffer. It won't be rendered at all, right? It doesn't render per pixel, it renders per object, per plane. You know what I mean? I think Unity renders not per pixel. This thing is sorted per object. Not getting anything what they say. How do I fix that then? And why does it show on top of the other thing when I'm moving it backwards? This is weird. Okay, well that solves this. Alright. We're still not intersecting though. How?
In this tutorial, we'll be going over the ztest command, which you can read about on the Cyan. Pixels that are rendering using the ztest less, and red pixels where it's using ztest. There you go, equal. So here is a case where we have ztest L equal, ztest G equal, and if you use ztest L equal or ztest, this is now having equal there. So here's this theory for Q's. So we could even say
Klingt übrigens wie eine Drohung first person. Sounds like a threat. He wrote that he's coming by. Why is there just an alpha test? Why is there no dev testing? Like real dev testing? Wait. Render all pixel. This function is equivalent to alpha test off. So why don't I use always to render all pixels and then sort them into the right in the right order? I don't get it. What? Where is it gone? It's gone. It's gone for good. How do I check if it writes the def? This is probably a problem that will take a little bit longer to solve. Oh, I guess that's what you meant. There we have it, at least. At least it's in the def buffer. Nope. I output this. Hey, Force Wave. How are you? I'm fine too, a little bit stuck on that stupid problem, but Great idea to debug that. It seems it's not rendered in the camera at all, maybe because of the tag. What? Am I doing something? Am I missing something? Color hate map. Why is everything white right now? Not that shitty song again. Where was I? Am I missing something? My brain is clearly not hydrated anymore. Did I change so much? If I remove this, will it be the normal color? It is. So somehow, maybe not the R value. Sounds... Okay, so maybe there's a problem with how the hate map is imported. But why should it? Let me try this. Huh? Am I missing something? It behaves as if the texture was never applied. So let's go through this again. Hate map. Oh, I have an idea. That could have been the problem all along. Oh no! Let's try this. Oh gosh. There's something. I don't know what it is, but there is something right now. It took a while. It seemed those weird light modes seem to fuck up the rendering. Look at this. This looks like blending. It's just the other way around, right? like this. This looks like hate blending. I owe you 2 pizzas. So how do I get this into the Unity standard shader? Woo! What a difficult thing. Oh wait, this doesn't look right. Well, it looks cool, but it doesn't look right. Oh wait, it's the hate buffer still on. Yeah. So if I move this backwards, it's a bit too far ahead, I would say. In this view it works. Is it maybe only in 2D? No, 2D doesn't look good. It doesn't work here though. You get what I mean? It doesn't get the vertices or I'll just add that to oops. What? Oh god, I'm tired. Perspective. It's still above. Did I change something in the tests? No. Still the same. So I'll output this to color. Ooh, cool. Oh yeah, because of the alpha test probably. But no, wait. This is difficult. I mean, okay, let's copy that. This is just this. This is the eye position. I'm trying to understand how it works, what it does. Because this is still rendered on top. You see this? I'm bringing it in the back, but it's still rendered on top. It just takes into account the height of the individual parts. You see that? So it just tests if the gray of the one thing is lighter or darker than the depth info on the other one. Well, that's not what we want. We want to check which plane is further up, down, You see that? Yeah, I'm trying to understand what's going on, therefore I try to set different channels. It doesn't change at all. It changes a little bit when it comes really close to the camera, but after that it doesn't change much. You see it? It doesn't change at all. Because probably it's in 0 to 1 space, I guess. So yeah, it has to be in the range to the camera from 0 to 1. So to actually really write the depth, we need to normalize the Z position. Therefore, we probably need to... What do we do? What do we do? Interesting. Oh, wait. It's appearing. The camera is at -10. So it dissolves at 2. It probably dissolves at 1. What factor do you mean? Do you see this? You mean plus? Shouldn't it disappear? Ah, I get what you mean. Wow, I think we got it. We got it! Woohoo! Nailed it, man, nailed it. That's brilliant. So that way we can even render... No, it doesn't render to the buffer. Except if we change the render queue. Awesome. Well, it's black, but that doesn't matter because, well, that is awesome. Unity, you're awesome. Yeah, thanks for running me through that, man. I'll definitely owe you a pizza. Do you join the mini jam on Saturday? Maybe we can meet there. So now I just have to find a way to mix that with the Unity standard shader because it has nice lighting. I guess it doesn't work. Yeah, let's meet for a pizza. What? You can again? You will just sit there distracting everyone who's actually trying to be productive? Not again. I'm not even sure I will go, but maybe. I don't know, how much time do you have during the week? So we could just meet and eat pizza during the week. So, is it? No, it's not lit. Which one was the one that I used before? I forgot. Sounds pretty good to me too. How do I transform this one into a nice lit shader? Wait, I shared something here, I guess. Vertex verbs. Getting data out of the light buffer. Wait. They are lit, right? Are they lit? They don't have a normal map yet, I guess. But they need a normal map to be lit. Why do fragment shader stuff always need this weird ST thing? I don't get it. Do I even use float C and float far? I can't see me using them. Just comment them out. Is it complaining? Nope. I could just say O normals, right? Hmm. Unexpected token. Did I forget something? What did I forget? Simple. Shader error. Inverted subscript. O.normal. Color depth. Normal is a color. Alright, thanks buddy. Invalid output. Frag out shader. Float 3, float 4. Vertex color CG shader. I have no freaking idea. V2F IUV. I got this, but it doesn't get the normal. We're not in vertex to fragment, we're in fragment out. Okay, but that's the thing, they are not lit, I think. They don't get any light information. Wait, normal. Okay, that's that. Now I got the normal, I got the other thing. Doesn't get the light information. So maybe I need to go into that one weird thing I sent. Where did I have it? Was it this one? Like color. The color works. So light buffer, uniform center to light buffer. Let's try this. Light mode pre-pass base. It says pre-pass final. You ask questions. No idea. You ask good questions, but you're asking the wrong person. What? What happened? It's just gone. Do I have an error? No, I don't have any error. I had color too. Whoops. Now it's completely messed up and I forgot what I did. Just undo. Oh, probably because of this. You wanted me to use color 2 for this? No. But I don't have any lighting on it, you know? And I'm checking this tutorial that tells me how to make a deferred lighting shader. Because I don't have any lighting, and I do need lighting because that's what I need to do in Dimension Drive. So therefore, I'm really not sure where you want to head with this thing, because the normal one, the opaque one, will only get us so far. Yeah, it does, because we have quite a lot of lights in the scene, which we need to have like light sources on the bullets. Good question. Yeah. I got a point light in the scene. I'll tint it red so we can see if there are any lighting changes. It looks like the color is right now, it's not lit at all. Hey Noxy, how are you? I had I had to end yours. What was it? We had your channel linked on ours. Hey Tropic student. Yeah, that's fine. I get it, but the thing is, I think why we don't get any light information is that we don't calculate it, because the vertex and fragment shaders normally are computed without lighting, I guess. This is a happy Noxy. A happy Noxy is a good one. Yeah, I did. I tinted it red. It's not lit. You see, even if I didn't have any light source, even if I didn't have any light, it shouldn't have any lighting at all, because I turn off all the lighting information, so it should be unlit. If there's no light, there should be no light. Behind, there and away, and there and away, so there's no lighting information. We are at the moment at 22,146. For those watchers who haven't seen it already, check out our awesome. Wait a second. Gotta pause my music and show you the trailer. And I get water. Yeah, for those who liked it, it's a vertical shooter. We're a bunch of people, 2 main developers, a bunch of freelancers, and we're trying to become rich and famous thanks to our project. Where's my music? And right now I'm trying to solve a problem. Farzam, how do I add another pass then? So this pass is for rendering the depth, I would say, right? All this stuff is so much code. Why honesty? Because I said we want to become rich and famous. Yeah, I see it. What does a pass do? Okay, let's try. Just copy paste this one here. It renders everything except the color. So I gotta get rid of the color here, I guess. No? Why would I need the color if I... Oh, do they have a, like a... Wait a second. Remove this. Do they have an order? So I have to put this on first spot. Nope. I don't get it. Yeah, it's red now, but the wrong part of it. Do I need the alpha cutout for... Okay, let's see. What did I miss? No? Oh. Not quite. Wait, I just make C.A, right? Not? I don't like coding shaders. I'm an artist. Why do I need to code shaders? Oh. How do you know all that stuff, man? Do we really need a color in this? Because I do think we're overriding it, right? I mean, it already has color information, so why are we overriding it? Yeah, I can feel that suffering right now. Thanks for the share, guys. I'll show some more artsy stuff in a bit, but we're trying to solve that problem thanks to Fersen's help. Okay. But since this pass isn't getting any lighting information, I'm kind of overriding it. So what's the meaning of it all? I shall ask. He's an insanely talented programmer and game developer. Do you want to self-promote yourself? You have my goodwill. I still don't get any lighting information. No worries. I just have the feeling that this one is overwriting the color. Seems to be there. But without normal maps. Oh, what a nice art style. Holy shit. I love this. Well, I like the cover illustration. Ah, now I get what you mean with a similar style. Yeah, I agree. Though Beacon looks better. So what I need now is the normal information on the lights. Am I doing this right? No, frag out. They are all so different in structure. Why is there nothing the same? This has like V2F vert, which is used by frag out frag. And this one has V out V in, V out vert V in, and frag V out, which is a float. How do I make sense of this? I guess I need to put the normal in here, since it's using opos, so opossum. So I'll take the normal from here, put it into here. Probably make a sampler of it. What is the difference between uniform and non-uniform? I don't get it. So normal map, and try that. If it doesn't work, who cares? UV. Oh, this time it's V. Copy paste. Everybody uses different thing. No matching two parameters intrinsic function. Sampler 2D float. UVs no float? No? OPass unit mode. What? Ugh. I'm loving this style of the game we were talking about. Can somebody help me with the coding? But UV is text coord, isn't it? Is it still in development or is it already out? Cannot map expression to VS for O instruction. I want to work on an artsy game like this again too. There's not much information on the page, which is frustrating. Or maybe I should read the text. Story gameplay. Okay. What am I supposed to do? I mean, I would just copy paste the normal thing we had before, but it doesn't work. No idea to go about it, how to go about it. There's a CG null mapping thing. But it's in forward mode. Can you put that code into Pastebin? Oh, this is really complicated. If you guys know what I mean. Like, this is only writing the def. This is writing the main texture, I guess. Do we need this? Apparently we need it. What did I change? Apparently I changed what? What did I just do? Everything is black right now. Luckily we have a good undo history. Yeah, I can put the shader into Pastebin. You mean this one? Or this one? In the meantime, I'll show Dimension Drive. Oh, I could just play it in my other Unity. This was the reason we started all this. This is a 2D plane with a height map. And I was talking about how I want to change the style into being full 2D because it would save so much more time and power. Therefore, my good old friend Furzin came along to help me out with working on the shader. It was a troublesome journey, but eventually we made it. The music was just perfect for that. Without him, all this would never have happened. We should all be very grateful, thankful, and understanding. Doesn't look as good as the real 3D ones, but maybe we can render them to texture. Like those are the 3D ones. How am I supposed to know what is where? Well, I'm part of the team. If that's your question, yes, I'm part of the team. I'm the lead artist currently trying to make a shader that will make our game look good. And yes, I'm working on Dimension Drive, just working on some weird shader shit. Shader sheet. No. 2D def lit shader. No, 2D def lit. Should be fine. Let's try that out. Huh? Undeclared identifier I. Maybe because in F out you don't have any input here. Probably diffuse. Kein Problem. I'm really happy that you did it. That you helped me out with this. Like, it's your time, you don't have to do this. So it's much appreciated. Thank you so much. Why is it complaining about depth? Invalid subscription position. It says position. I position. It doesn't have position. Maybe I have to get pause.